first thing you can see is how much they opened it up. It's really windy right now and it's not blowing the trees very much because there's all this holes left by the tree branches that were taken down. And then when you walk up under the trees, you know, there aren't any branches for 30 feet, 40 feet. So it just feels completely different. There are branches hanging down that you could duck under. And there's one that they left just above the pond a bit. But the rest of these go this far up. This one over here, they took out a bunch of branches to clear the way, like in front of the boat. And then that one in the back there had a cedar, but maple growing through it that they took care of. Just a real open feeling. It's super windy right now, as you can tell. See the two places where maple, now you could if it wasn't so lit up from behind, and they took out 4 branches on this side that were old and likely to fall down. See those up there maybe? Anyway, that's it.